Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in innovation and design. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best massage gun for deep tissue muscle recovery, the AERLANG massage gun with heat. If you're looking for a powerful, travel-friendly, and smart recovery tool, stay tuned for a full hands-on overview. So what makes the AERLANG massage gun a standout in a sea of similar devices? First and foremost, it's not just a percussion massage gun, it includes a heated massage head. That's right, actual targeted heat therapy built into a detachable massage head, with its own independent on-off switch. This means while the percussion works to stimulate deep muscle layers, the heated head goes a step further, accelerating relaxation and blood flow. Whether you're dealing with stiff shoulders, post-workout soreness, or chronic back pain, this gun offers a more holistic recovery experience. Charging is simple, but here's a tip. To get the best performance out of it from day one, charge the main unit for around 6 hours, and the heating head separately for about 2 hours. Once fully powered, this device becomes your portable therapist. Now, let's talk about control and comfort. The AERLANG gun features a new generation LCD display, and this is not just for show. It displays real-time pressure levels and intelligently adjusts the massage force based on how much pressure you're applying. It's like the device learns what your muscles need and responds accordingly. And with 20 adjustable speed settings, you get complete control over your massage intensity, from light recovery mode to full-scale deep tissue work. For the heat settings, there are 3 different levels, maxing out at a soothing 131 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for breaking down tension without overheating your skin. It also comes with 7 interchangeable heads. Each one is designed for a specific muscle group or type of tension. Whether you're targeting your neck, spine, arms, or quads, there's a head for that. The build is sturdy, but not heavy, just around 1 kilogram, making it very manageable for long sessions. With a speed range of 1400 to 3200 revolutions per minute, it delivers intense results without the noise you'd expect from such power. Let's not forget portability. The AERLANG massage gun includes a travel case so you can take it to the gym, office, or even toss it in your suitcase. Whether you're at home after a long day or on the road, you'll always have recovery at your fingertips. Now for those of you looking for a thoughtful gift, this hits all the right notes. It's suitable for men, women, dads, athletes, desk workers, basically anyone who experiences muscle fatigue, which is, well, all of us. To wrap it up, you're getting advanced heat therapy, customizable speed and temperature control, a smart LCD display, silent operation, and unmatched portability, all in one sleek, efficient device. The AERLANG massage gun isn't just a massager. It's a full recovery system you can hold in your hand. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews. And let us know in the comments, what's your go-to recovery tool? See you in the next one.